this is Debbie here from Southern Delight. Come on in, pull up a chair and have a seat. I've got some really cool Halloween projects to share with you today. I have a friend that's doing a baby shower, and her theme this year is the Nightmare Before Christmas. And she asked me to make a couple of corsages for her. This one I made for the mama-to-be. I did a corsage like this. And then this is a sash to actually go around the mother's belly. I'll show you a quick clip of it of what it looks like on. I thought that was really cute. And now I'm getting ready to put one together for the father-to-be. I'm just going to give y'all a short tutorial on this. I wasn't actually going to do a tutorial on it. This is actually the first time I've ever done anything like this. So I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, but I was quite tickled with it. I thought they were very cute, and her theme couldn't have been cuter. The Nightmare Before Christmas. I would have never thought of doing a baby shower in that. But I found this little Christmas ornament right here at Walmart, and I just hot glued that to a backing that looked like this right here. And then I took, and this is a flower petal that looks like this right here, but it's in red, and I just took it like this right here and hot glued it. I'm going to use the same technique for the dad's boutonniere, and the only thing different is I couldn't find another ornament like that, so I had this little Halloween spider, and I'm going to put it there, and then I had some cute little ribbon. This right here is just some ribbon I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and or Michael's, I can't remember. But I took it, and I'm going to use it, and then just take some of this black mesh and ribbon, and then just tie it down and drape it down for the father-to-be to have a boutonniere. But I'm just going to hot glue it, which actually that right there looks really good for a father-to-be. I don't know if I might add a little bit. We may go in and add a little bit more. I don't know, I'll play around with that and I'll see what my client would prefer. But this is what I've got so far, and like I said, these were just really cute and easy projects. And I thought I'd just pass that along and share it with you. I thought those would be great ideas for a Halloween baby shower. Who'd have thought? They're doing so many neat little ideas. I told her to take me some pictures so that I'll have some of those to share, and because she's come up with some really cute ideas that she found on Pinterest, so I'm really excited to see those. And then, like you know, and then if you've been following me, you know that I'm getting ready to do my husband's birthday party, and we're doing a biohazard theme, and I'll share some pics of those as well, so stay tuned. Okay, here you have her. Alright, this is a little bizarre, I will admit, but a baby shower Halloween party, that's bizarre, but I tell you what, just the joy of having new life and new birth, and that's what this is representing right here. It's all about new life. Right, now, what do you think about that, baby? What do you think about that? All right, go show it. Show it to Daddy.
You'll come here and show me?
Go show Daddy. Go.
You okay? You're not dead. You're not gonna die. It's just a hat. Come here. Come here.
It's gonna put a spell on her. Go.
That hat done put a spell on you, babe. Come here.
Go.
Come. Oh, look at.
Happy holidays. It's Halloween.